Most people use Windows, power users command it. If your desktop is covered in icons and you're still using the start menu to find apps, you're stuck in 2010. I'm the Windows God, and today, we ascend. Step 1. Install Microsoft PowerToys. It's the official GodMode toolkit. Use FancyZones to create custom snapping layouts that the default Windows Snap can't touch. One shortcut, total organization. Stop downloading .exe files like a peasant. Open PowerShell and type Winget upgrade, all. This updates every single app on your system at once. Total control, zero clicking. Create a new folder on your desktop. Paste this exact code. You now have a single icon that controls every hidden setting in the OS. Welcome to the cockpit. Windows animations are bloat for your brain. Search for performance, and set it to best performance. Your UI will now snap instantly. No delay, just raw speed. Stop copying and pasting one thing at a time. Press Win+5. Turn on Clipboard history. Now you have a library of everything you've copied in the last hour. Use it. Your PC is slow because 50 apps are starting with it. Ctrl+, Shift+, SC. Go to Startup Apps. If it's not essential, disable it. Your boot time just dropped by 5 seconds. You aren't just a user anymore, you're a power user. Subscribe to the Windows God or stay stuck in the loading screen. Peace.